Hello everyone, this is Avneet and today we are going to demonstrate a wonderful technique which is called as EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Technique. I have learned this technique and I'm using it since a very long time, and it has been really helpful to me to work against my stress, my anxiety. And so I just was thinking that if we are doing so many videos on anxiety, why not learn another technique to handle anxiety? So I just want to first tell you what is all EFT all about. Normally EFT is also called as tapping. So when you're doing this work of tapping, you are basically coming in contact with your body. You're touching your body. So this is a way of communicating with your body. See, since a human civilization was developed, we mostly understood language of signs and language of touch. Language was developed late. So we as humans understand touch. It's always said that touch is the best therapy. When you are low, you hug someone who is really dear to you and you release those happy hormones. So this is one way of tapping and coming in contact with your body, reassuring your body that it's all going to be all right. Okay, so in EFT what we are going to do is we are going to be tapping some points, and these points are your acupressure points. All right, these acupressure points help you to breathe out and release all the stress that you're having. Okay, so let me first tell you which points are there, and let's do this exercise together then. Okay, so the points that I'm going to say is, first is this. Okay, you are going to tap this karate chop hand. Okay, the second side is between your two eyebrows here. Okay, the third is when your eyebrow gets here, the beneath the eyebrow, like this. The next one is here above your cheek. Okay, the next point is here above, just below your nose. Next is your chin. Next is your chest, like between the shoulders here. Next is below your armpit. And then final one is here. You tap it on your head. Okay, so how do we do this? Basically it's a process of communicating with yourself. So you can change the words that you are speaking while you are doing the tapping. Okay, we are going to do now 3 rounds of tapping. The first round is going to be about what are the difficulties that you're facing in your life right now. The second round is going to be about how are you going to go ahead with this. The third round is going to be completely positive affirmations, and so that you release all the negative energy at the end by breathing out. Okay, so are we ready to do that? Let's do it together. Okay, so let's do it. Although I'm stressed out, but I deeply and completely accept myself and love myself the way I am. Although I'm stressed out, but I deeply and completely accept myself and love myself the way I am. Although I'm completely stressed, but I deeply and completely accept myself and love myself the way I am. It's too much for me to handle right now. It is too overwhelming for me. I am so stressed out. This is too difficult for me to handle. I am completely helpless. I don't see a way out. How will I be able to ever solve this problem? How will I ever be able to adjust with the situation? So we have done with the negative round. Let's go for the problem solving round. I should think of something. There has to be a way to reach this problem. I will find my solution. I will get to it. I will definitely solve this. I just have to make some changes with myself. I just have to make a little quiet time with myself. I will be able to solve my problem. I'm positive in thinking. The positive round begins, okay? I'm positive in thinking. I have good coping skills. I will use my coping skills. I will look for alternative solutions. I will figure this out. I'm sure I can handle this. Yes, I will handle this. I'm much calm and I'm ready to release now. So this is it. You blow out all the negativity out of your body and you feel much, much, much more better. So this is the way you can just, use your own words. The intentions are most important. So speak it with all the feelings and emotions that you're feeling right now, and just blow out the stress which is there inside you. You can use EFT for your stress, for your anxiety, whatever problem you're going into your life right now. Just tap it and just tap it out. All right, that is all from me for today, and you take care and have a great day.